Hello from our smart factory rooms. Since we've got some insights on the machine line last time, let's focus more on planning and tracking today. And of course on how to prevent production stops.
Beside a good planning and material management, it is essential to know the status of the whole production equipment. With our cloud-based asset management, we can monitor not only Panasonic equipment, but literally every device in the production plant, and realize the efficiencies from locating and picking raw materials using scanning hardware and autonomous material delivery, while gaining inventory insights through detailed reporting. With asset management, our customers get the recent condition of the equipment based on the real usage and don't rely on fixed maintenance cycles. Therefore, we can realize a very efficient predictive maintenance and perform maintenance before an actual stoppage of production could occur.
Very important points indeed. I hope to see you next time when it's all about THT and a new solution for manual guidance.